Google has recently announced that beginning July 1st, 2023, Universal Analytics will no longer process new data in standard properties. Marketers now have to ensure that they understand how to use GA4 instead of relying on Universal Analytics. They also need to learn how to implement and track the events efficiently. It's important to implement GA4 so that we can gain a better understanding of how it works. There are many differences between the tools, but let's talk about the 5 fundamental differences between UA and GA4. The first difference is the reporting interface. The GA4 reporting screen may appear overwhelming at first glance since some metrics are displayed differently and many of the reports and metrics that you usually see are missing. In your GA4 view, you'll see a variety of reports once you start tracking events. The GA4 view's reporting interface resembles that of Google Analytics for Firebase because GA4 is built on Firebase Analytics. The second difference is user and event data retention. You can set the amount of time that Google Analytics keeps user-specific data linked with cookies, user ID, or advertising identifiers for an inactive website user before automatically removing it using the user and event data retention option. Using GA3, you can choose between 14 months, 26 months, 38 months, 50 months, and do not automatically expire. In GA4, we can choose only between 2 months or 14 months. You should implement GA4 now so you can have a year-over-year comparison using the Universal Analytics. Another difference between the tools is cross-device and cross-platform tracking. In Google Analytics 4, the web and app data are both stored in the same structure. However, in the case of Universal Analytics, it was not the same. GA3 by default couldn't track users' activities across devices. As a result, GA4's cross-device and cross-platform tracking is far more robust and reliable than GA3's. Another difference is Debug View. The Debug View report in the GA4 allows you to check your analytics configuration directly from the reporting interface. With the GA3 reporting view, this is not possible. The fifth difference between the tools is BigQuery. GA4 has a free BigQuery connection. As a result, you have access to the raw GA4 data and may use it to conduct SQL queries. In the case of GA3, this capability is only available to GA360 clients. These are the first 5 fundamental differences between GA3 versus GA4. GA4 is more advanced, enabling marketers to get a detailed view of a user's journey. We will discuss the next 5 key differences in the coming video. Subscribe to our channel for other tips from our experts.